Morning everyone, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to the channel and welcome all the new subscribers as well. Thank you so much. Right, today's video is another review and it's from B&M. So come on over and have a look what it is. It's a microwave egg poacher and it was £1.99 from Aldi. No, God, not Aldi. I've got Aldi on the brain. It was from B&M. Right, let's have a look at some of the information before we start. It is microwave safe and stain resistant. It makes the perfect poached eggs and it's a non-stick material and easy to clean. It's BPA free. So we'll have a look on the back. You can't use it under your grill or any other oven. It's only for the microwave. So that at the bottom is just a bit of warning. Rinse in hot water, dry thoroughly before use to clean. Use soapy water and a soft brush. Dishwasher safe, but only on the top shelf. Do not use any abrasive metal scourers to clean. And apparently this is stain resistant as well. So up the top, the directions is how to make the poached eggs. So let's give it a go. Right, I've washed it out in hot soapy water and gave it a dry. What I'm going to do next, it says fill each compartment with 1/3 of water and then cover the lid and microwave on full power for 60 seconds. I'm going to put some cold water in. It said 1/3, with 1/3 is 5 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that compartment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm no good at measuring. And then I need a teaspoon. This is the only way I can measure. And a teaspoon and a teaspoon. So now we've got to put the lid back on it and put it in the microwave for 60 seconds. I'm not having much luck with this recording today. I thought the lid clips on, but it doesn't. It just places on. So I'm going to take this over to the microwave and microwave it for 60 seconds. That was on in the microwave for 60 seconds. It's a little bit hot when you take it out, so be careful. I held mine like that, not underneath. So I'm going to try and take the lid off it now. And then we have to crack the egg and put the egg in. But this is a bit difficult to get off. I thought, as a disabled person that's not too confident using big pans of water and stuff, this might be easy for me to use. But so far, I've come into a problem because I can't get the lid off. I mean, that there, I think you're supposed to grab that at the top, but I can't grab that. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to get a knife just to prise the lid up. I have to be really, really careful. I know you shouldn't do this, but I can't open the lid any other way. So there we go. Careful when you take the lid off as well. It's very hot, obviously. So now we've got to crack our eggs into that and put it back in the microwave. So here's my eggs. I'm just going to take my 2 eggs out, crack it in like it says. There's 1 egg. Do the other one. There's the other egg. Right, now we've got to put them back in for 45 seconds. But while that's doing, I'm going to boil the kettle and put 2 pieces of toast in the toaster. So I'm going to put my toast on and then I'm going to put my kettle on and then I'm going to put that in the microwave for 45 seconds. Just be careful when you take it back over because that is still hot. They've been on full power for 45 seconds. This is how they look. It says allow to stand for 30 seconds before serving. So I'm going to let them stand for a bit and then we'll take the top off and see if we can get them out. Right, I've done some toast as well and made a cup of coffee. I've let them stand for 30 seconds, like it said. And now we're going to get them out the pot and see how easy it is to get them out. I always have problems with this pot, don't I? That's the only downfall. That should be a little bit bigger so you can pull it up. Hopefully. Let's see, I've managed to get them. They've still got a tiny bit of water left in them. Sorry, they've got a tiny bit of water left in them, as you can see. So I'm going to go and drown. I'm going to drain that off. But so far, so good. Just have to see if we can get them out now. What could I use? I just use a blunt knife, I think. I'm sweating. I'll just use a blunt knife. Let's move that over there. Let's unscoop that. I'm going to have to break it. That's the only thing that gets stuck on the bottom, as you can see. So I'm going to try and get it out as one. I couldn't get it out as one then. So, upside down. There's one. That's what's happened. They do get stuck, even though they say that they don't. So they do get stuck. So it's going to look a bit of a car crash, this is. So I had to turn you off then. I had to sneezes. Right, we're going to get this one out now, okay? So like we said, it does get a little bit stuck. Hopefully I can get this one out a little bit better. That's it. That's out a little bit better now. Right, so I'm going to put some pepper on them. Put a bit of pepper. They don't look too bad, actually. Do you know what? The second one looks a lot better. Now I know how to do it. And hopefully they'll taste nice. So we're going to go over to the table now and have a taste test. Brought our food guy in to come and taste them.
Delicious, don't they?
Quite nice.
They do look nice. Let's cut one open and have a look.
I hope they cook properly.
We'll find that in a minute, won't we? Let's cut it down the middle. Oh, a little bit hard, Bab. A little bit hard.
Oh dear.
This one.
Well, because they've been standing for a bit, I reckon.
A little bit hard.
Hard?
Yeah.
Oh no.
You put them in some cold
I did put them in some cold water. No, it doesn't tell you to do that on the thing.
No,
I just followed the instructions.
So you've done a poached egg and you put them in some ice.
Yep. But I'm reviewing
I know about the product. I'm on about it stops them cooking after. That's what I'm on about. Maybe
like 30 seconds standing made them cook a bit longer then.
But all in all, it's cooked, isn't it?
It is cooked. At least they're cooked.
Have a crack.
That's the main thing. Put some pepper on for you as well.
Pepper. Yeah, right.
Tastes just the same.
Tastes like an hard-boiled egg.
Oh, right, okay. So, timings need sorting out. So maybe them timings on the back, maybe just adjust them to your own needs then.
And put it in some ice to stop it cooking.
Yeah, but I'm also reviewing it as somebody that struggles with pans and stuff. So that's what I've just done. It's simple.
That's good.
So I think the product's really good. The only downfall is the lid. It's a bit when you've got the water in it and you're trying to take it, the lid's a bit awkward to take off, if you get what I mean. That's the only downfall of it. But other than that,
if you can't use a hob, that's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think that's good.
And maybe just adjust the cooking time on the back.
Trial and error,
it's trial and error. Yeah. How you all like your eggs different. Some like them like that, some don't.
But it does the job.
But it does the job. So yeah, taste all right. Thought I'd do your breakfast today.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I'll eat this with a bit of brown sauce.
So do I think they're worth $1.99? Yeah, I do. They're quick, they're convenient, they don't cause any mess, really. You've only got the pot to wash up. The only downfall was when the water was in the pot and I put it in first. I couldn't get the lid off, it was quite fiddly. So just be careful. And when you take it out of the microwave, just be careful where you hold it. I held it at the sides. It wasn't really that hot there. So, what would I rate the product? Definitely a 4.5, because you need to, I wouldn't give it a 5 because you need to adjust the cooking times to how you like your egg. So that's the only downfall. Everyone has their eggs all different. So I give it a 4.5, I would think. What would you give it?
I think it's done a good job.
You think it's done a good job? Yeah, I do think it's done a good job. It's just the cooking times, really. Maybe just adjust them to your needs.
Yeah, but that's like anything, isn't it? It's trial and error.
What would you give it?
I'd give it a 5 because it does what it says.
Would you? Okay.
It does what it says, doesn't it? And it works. But cooking times, as you say, you trial and error. If we're doing poached egg, put it in some ice water after.
Yeah, I could
Stops
do that.
it
I
cooking
didn't
then.
know that, you know. I didn't even know that. I thought it might make your egg cold, but
No.
I didn't know
Well,
that.
it's just stops them cooking. That's
Okay.
all. Well, yeah, I'd get a 5 out of 5 because it works.
There we go then. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you all later. Bye.
Bye.